Hello, good morning again. Back to the grind, back to the vlog. Anyway, since yesterday we did the laundry, and so today I'll just get them back. I need to fold them and then put them in my drawers. Time for the tea, time for the coffee, and time to open up and see and face yet another bright sunny day. Good morning, दोस्तों. आज भी दरिया काफ़ी शांत है, सूरज उग चुका है, and 7:10 बज चुके हैं. अभी मैं ईमेल्स चेक करूँगा इफ़ देयर इज़ एनीथिंग फ्रॉम येस्टरडे. कुछ रिप्लाइज करने हैं, नहीं करने हैं. उसके बाद एज यूजुअल ब्रेकफास्ट, देन गो डाउन टू द इंजन रूम, टॉक टू सेकंड इंजीनियर एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट्स न्यू हैपनिंग टुडे. यस, और अभी हम लोग चाइना पहुँच रहे हैं इन अबाउट 20 दिन. तो वी हैव टू ऑर्डर आवर क्वार्टरली स्टोर्स फॉर द फर्स्ट क्वार्टर. तो आज स्टोर्स के रिक्वेजिशंस बनाने हैं. आई नीड टू चेक ऑल ऑफ द रिक्वेजिशंस एंड इन दिस कंपनी द चीफ इंजीनियर इज इन चार्ज ऑफ रिक्वेजिशंस. सो आई नीड टू गेट ऑल द रिक्वेजिशंस डन and send them to the office for approval. So first I approve them, get them ready. You remember, it's not my papa's shop. It's not Amazon that you order and you get one-day delivery. Shipping doesn't work like this. And besides that, you just can't order whatever you feel like. Oh, it's good. It's good to have a spare. You wouldn't do that for your own car. You wouldn't do that for your own house. So when you order spares or stores, just make sure you treat the ship as your own. So you treat the ship as your own. You can justify what you order. So of course the chief engineer, that's me, can justify what you're ordering, and so does the superintendent. So do not just waste the company's money. On a hunt for my shaving pouch, my shaving cream, my razor, everything was in. I think the steward probably has cleared it off. I can't find it around. Let me see, I asked him. I hope he has not chucked it in the garbage. I have to open my bags and just check one more time, but I doubt it can be around. Shit, man. Okay, so good news. Good news. I went even. I searched the garbage and everything. So my hair is all ruffled up and everything. But the good news is, I think the other day when he was cleaning my cupboard, he had got it pushed behind my bag out there. So phew, that's a good thing. But the unfortunate thing is, I had a razor in a glass after using it before the party. He's chucked that out, and I believe the shaving cream also. He's chucked that out, thinking it was the old chief's. So well, if you give the steward to clean your cabin, I think you need clear set of instructions. And the first time he's cleaning your cabin, when he's throwing out the trash, make sure you're there, otherwise you'll suffer like me. Well, not exactly suffering. Luckily, I have an extra set of razor and blades. From the last time I had bought an extra kit, and that's how I have it here. So lucky me, and I hope you're lucky too. So off to the engine room. I got some things to sort out with second engineer and some messages to discuss with him. So I just need to head down. It's just 8:10. I just need to head down, discuss a few things before he actually plans out and starts off his day. So we are out in the engine room. As I told you earlier, we need to request for spares, so all the requisitions in progress. My fitter is looking through this book. This book is a very special book. It's called as, hey Akmal, don't feel shy, man. This book is called as Marine Stores Guide, IMPA Guide. So we get for example, we're looking at drill bits. We get the name, the description, and the part number. Very important to get the right one, so that when we order it with the part number, or we call it as code, and that's how we order the onboard Amazon. So you see the importance of this Solex watch. It shows that a geofence detected. There's work happening in this area, in this deck. That means we need to be careful. You need to keep your eyes open and see what's happening around. Remember, this can save your life. So please wear your watch, especially when your company has done and spent a lot of money, a lot of effort, a lot of research in figuring out what's best for all of us. So one of this sensor, you can see this HPU press, that's the pressure, was incorrectly calibrated. So now we just need to recalibrate the sensor and get that sorted out. Yeah, the 5th February, right? Thanks.
Now also 5th February, 1800.
Okay, so we got an ETA, and we just got an email from the charters to calculate the bunker requirements. Bunker is the fuel requirements, how much fuel we need to load up at the port before we leave after the voyage back to USA. So we need safe, every company has a safe limit, minimum safe extra other than your voyage requirement, what we need to have. Please see that, and then you can order accordingly. you need to have 85% maximum in your tanks, or 90% as per some companies allow, 90% or 85% of the volume of the bunker tank. So अभी fuel order करेंगे, तो fuel order is not just like going to a petrol pump and पैसा देना और तेल भरना, ऐसा नहीं होता है. आपको प्लान करना पड़ता है कितने दिन का वॉयज है, क्या स्पीड पे जाएंगे, कितना तेल रिज़र्व ऑलरेडी हमारे पास है और कितना हमको मांगना है, और कंपनी का क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, मिनिमम सेफ रिक्वायरमेंट, एडिशनल वॉयज.
So guys, this is Uniter welding handbook. So as per Uniter, when they do survey, we need to have all these equipments as per this diagram. You see these coils, this pressure arrestor, flame arrestor. You can see this one on the list they have given. So they are very specific about all these things. Because they are like compliance with the regulatory. So we need to order this one. So next time we'll see.
So now second engineer is he just explained to the fitter about all of this. So anyway, we are going to the oxygen and acetylene room, and there once we get there we will check all these things if they are as per the regulations or not. If not as per the regulations, we will highlight them, raise the requisitions and inform our office about the same. And we need to follow up as well. You know, you can't just send an email and forget about it. Follow up. We are at the oxygen acetylene station at the poop deck. So the light, explosion proof light, the switch has to be outside the room, explosion proof light, and the switch has to be here. So today our job is to inspect all the fittings and make sure that this is as per the requirements. So this here, regulator, and let's do this carefully and safely and execute this task well. 3 p.m. having a good coffee. It's time. The guys also they're around. So usually 3 p.m. 3 to 3:30, and in the morning 10 to 10:30 is the coffee break. Usually जहाज पे चाय ब्रेक, एक छोटी सी ब्रेक होती है 10 और 10:30 बजे सुबह और 3 और 3:30 के बीच में शाम को. एंड मलेशियंस ये लोग ये कॉफ़ी ब्रेक को स्मोको बोलते हैं. सो SM स्मोक एंड CO कॉफ़ी स्मोको. सो दिस इज स्मोको. So it was something new for me in the beginning. Then later I realized, okay, pretty okay. Smoko.